Thank you to Scanmarker for sending us this sample. This is the Scanmarker Air wireless digital highlighter. This is a little bit of an older unit that does still work to this very day and is actually still revered as a very high quality product, both for its time and right now. It'll say things like Android 4.4 or above, Bluetooth 4.0 or above, Windows 7 or above, but don't get discouraged. This is still a very current and high quality product. Cracking this open, it looks like this. The box kind of origamis out in a little accordion feel, and this is going to reveal something. So put that off to the side till the very end and look at the rest of the information here. Pop all that out. I wonder if this is just an inset tray or there's something underneath that. There's a whole bunch of stuff underneath that. All right, so let's rip all this stuff out, dump it all on the table, and see what we got. All right, so we have a USB cable. This is going to be micro. I'm almost certain this is going to be micro. Yeah, for its time. And look at that. That's a huge acceptor. That's massive. You get this really nice case as well, and it's labeled with Scanmarker, and it's kind of painted on there, kind of like they press the paint on a t-shirt. That's really nice. This is the little tray they give you right there. This is a caution here, and it looks like it has a dongle. Very nice. So you get a dongle. We are going to open this up, even though it does say caution. This is a static-proof bag, and typically with computer parts like PCBs and USB cables and stuff like that, it's in a static-proof bag. So this is a little dongle that is utilized for Windows. You might see these when you have a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, all that kind of stuff. And you have all the documentation. So this is your warranty card, and this is all your information on how to use it, how to connect it, and we'll get into all of that into the review, of course. Now to look at the body itself of the actual unit. This is very lightweight. You charge it via the USB. Oh, that's why it's big. It's to create a very secure connection. Okay, I get it. And you would take this off like that, and you would be able to scan all of your documents and transmit that information over to your PC. This does have a very low required level of Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about having the most recent product. Basically, anyone that has anything now in their pocket, this is going to work 100%. There's going to be apps you can download. There's ways to connect it via either your PC or your phone or other tablets and all that fun stuff. Go through the warranty information. Go through how to actually use it. It tells you what to push and how long to push down, and inside your document once you have the apps, and there's even little tips in the back that tells you how to get a better experience out of it. This is everything that comes in the box with the Scanmarker Air. Even though it came out quite a while ago, this is actually still a very dependable product with a very good track record, a very good brand, very good build quality, and it really has everything refined to a point where it just works flawlessly. Stay tuned for the full review coming from GoodieReader.com.